Hello, everyone out there on Airbnb. This video editing around the world from Toronto, Canada is a class where you'll learn how to video edit. So let me just do some screen sharing now and just select the right screen. Okay. We'll be using Power Director. And video editing is pretty easy and fun with practice, just like with anything. So we'll take, for example, here in Canada, we know about snow. So let's start off with some of this iStock video I have from Power Director, which is the #1 choice amongst video editors. And just this is the previewer here where my mouse is. And you see the image I'm going to put down. And then this is the timeline. So just moving this down there. So we've got it on the timeline. And then we'll show some more snow with traffic. And we're going to overlay this over the first track. A box will pop up and then you see crossfade there. So which is the dissolve, just one image moving into the other one. And then we'll sort of say, okay, this is kind of after the snowfall here. So we're going to put it right beside the clip. And then we're going to show people shoveling, people shoveling there. And we'll show, actually, it would have been good to actually show cars covered in snow. So we're going to put that there and insert it, right? Insert it where we want to. And more pictures of people covered in snow. So insert that there. And I think we've used just about all of them, but we'll end off with this one. Someone just walking in the snow there. Okay, and then we'll also put down this very appropriate audio track for snow, a chill in the air. Okay, so those are just basic edits. So if we bring it to the beginning, make sure I'm sharing my sound here. Okay, so sharing sound and stereo. And bring it to the beginning. And then we'll do some of these transitions here. So we'll do just some basic transitions. Like we'll do a wipe here. Okay, we'll go to special. And we'll do a grand opening in the beginning clip. Okay, we'll do a twist somewhere there. Okay, so this is just to do a quick edit here. Okay, and then you can see this is just a very quick edit. So then now you can see what's been done. Okay, so that just gives you a very quick introduction to the kind of video editing that can be done. Take this Airbnb experience and you'll learn more detailed information about great transitions you can do and how you can really make your video very exciting. You can put it up on YouTube, Instagram, on your website, all different kind of places online. So yeah, book today.